Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Then 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. Now 8 multiply minus 8 is equal to minus 64. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, here is a one parenthesis. So first we have to solve parenthesis. Okay. So is equal to 9 minus 1. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. So now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. Okay. The first priority is multiplication. Then we have to solve subtraction. So 9. Now minus 8 multiply minus 1 is equal to plus 8. So 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Okay. So the correct answer is 17. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.